These new Q HE 8K keyboards are AI approved. Hey chat, what's the best mechanical keyboard brand?
One of the top brands is Keychron.
What does the perfect keyboard need?
Build quality, customizable switches, and solid connectivity.
Cool. That's exactly what the new Q3 and Q6 HE 8K deliver. Full metal body, magnetic switches, and stable wired connection straight out of the box. Q3 for a compact setup, Q6 if you need the full layout. What are some of the benefits of magnetic switches?
Magnetic switches, faster, more durable, and longer lasting.
And they're fully customizable to your play style. And performance? How fast is fast?
The best polling rate is 8,000 hertz.
You got it. And yes, you can customize everything. With the Launcher web app, you can tweak your whole keyboard. So yeah, the new Q HE 8K pretty much checks every box for peak performance. Last question, where can my friends go and get it?
You can get them at keychron.com.